Complying with wage and hour laws can be complicated and overwhelming, but getting it wrong can expose you to tremendous legal and financial risk. Even a single plaintiff FLSA suit can cost six figures. With HR Hero's FLSA Audit Tool, you'll save time and money and gain peace of mind that your FLSA practices follow today's evolving wage and hour laws and regulations. In addition, this step-by-step classification tool provides instant exempt, non-exempt status. With the FLSA Audit Tool, you can get risk assessments based on our award-winning compliance resources and insight from leading employment law experts, build customized reports that identify the biggest risk areas for your company, tips to improve compliance, and suggestions for next steps to avoid costly litigation or a DOL audit. Exemption by exemption analysis of a particular employee or job. Get detailed explanations and examples of jobs and tasks that tend to indicate exempt or non-exempt status, then easily save and print your reports. Update it in real time to reflect current laws and regulations so you can rest assured you're compliant always. Forget scouring internet search engines for the appropriate laws and regulations that apply to your current practices. Fill out our survey-style questions and generate a customized report with recommendations. Take the guesswork out of employee classification. Schedule a one-on-one tour with a solutions architect today.